Welcome! In front of me I have Smartwatch DT93 and I'm gonna show you how to set up a watch face with the custom image on this device. Basically, if you want to set up a watch face with your own picture or image. Before we start, if you want to set up the watch face with the custom image on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the FitCloud Pro application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue. And to do it, simply open the FitCloud Pro application on your phone. In the application, you should see the home page. Now let's tap on the device icon right here. On the device page, find the option called Dial Library and tap on it. And here you should see this watch face, the first one on the list with this small edit icon on it, as you can see. Tap on this watch face. And here we can customize our watch face. First, we can tap on this plus button to add the background, and we can select between two options, take picture or select. If you select the take picture option, it will open the camera app, and there you can take a picture to set it as your watch face. And if you select option called select, it will open the file manager, and there you can select the picture you want to use as a watch face. I'm gonna select the second option, the select, and as you can see, the file manager opened. Now I'm gonna open the download folder, and here I'm gonna find some photo I want to use as watch face. For example, this one. And now we can crop the image. Basically, we can make this frame bigger, smaller. We can rotate it like that. And whatever is gonna be in this highlighted area of the frame is gonna be on our watch face. You can also move it. I forgot to mention that. You can swipe up and down, left and right to move it around. So center the picture the way you want it to be on your watch face, then tap Save Copy. And here we have the preview of our watch face. Now, once we selected the background, we can tap on Style, and we can select the style of the clock, as you can see. Select the one you like, then tap on Position, and here we can select the position of the clock. Okay, and once you're done customizing your watch face, tap on Set as Watch Face. And once the watch is done being synchronized with your phone, you will see that the watch face was applied on it. Okay, and that's how you set up the watch face with the custom image on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.